I know most of you right now are asking yourself this question: should I use analysis tools? Because right now there are so many in the market, okay? And it even feels overwhelming, and you might be wondering, is it safe for me to use them? Don't worry, I'll be answering that question in this video. And before I start, guys, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos. Now, when you go to TikTok, okay, most traders have created these sites, okay, what I've been calling them third party, whereby these are sites that yes, you can trade on them, but they are not Deriv. You can trade on them you can trade on Deriv, but not through the Deriv.com site. All right. Now, these third party sites have analysis tools, which basically give you the prediction. Okay, let's say you're trading even odd, they tell you even will be 50% and odd has a 40% chance. All right. And from that, now you can proceed and trade. Okay. And there are so many. All right. There are so many. So the answer to this question is yes and no. Okay, let me start with the good one. Yes. Why should you use them? Analysis tools are very nice, extremely nice after. Okay, so let's do this. Once you've opened the market, Deriv.com, you've analyzed, all right, and you've come out with a prediction of even or over. Now, after you've done that, you can now go to the analysis tool and confirm and see just if the analysis tool is matching your prediction. If it matches, well and good, proceed with your trading. All right. Now, this is where I say no. Let's say no, the no is in this area. You only open the analysis tool. You have not analyzed Deriv. You only open the analysis tool, look at what it is saying, and proceed to trade without doing anything else. Now, that is the danger. Don't depend on the analysis tool for your trading. Only use it as a helper, as a confirmation. I've not said that you don't use it. Use it. I usually even use it. All right? But only use it as a confirmation. Don't use it as a primary source of objective. All right, so don't just open the analysis tool and then just see what it is saying and proceed and trade. Only use it, I repeat, only use it as a confirmation. All right, after you have done your own analysis tool, your own analysis, and I believe me, that will really help you out. All right, so if you're wondering and you're struggling and you're wondering how can I analyze the market? How should I use it? Yes, use it, but use it as a confirmation. All right. And sometimes you might do your own analysis and you see it is correct, but the analysis tool is the opposite. All right. You can proceed to trade, or you can just wait until you see that your prediction is matching what the analysis tool is showing. But the main thing here, guys, is only use the analysis tool as your confirmation. All right, do this because these tools usually have some errors, and if you depend on it 100%, you might end up making some losses, you might end up making some mistakes, which might cost you greatly. All right, yeah, so guys, that is what I had for you today. Please adhere to that. You can tell me what your experience will be in the comment section, and you can proceed to discuss further. If you have any question or comment, please put it down in the comment section down below, or WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. And if you want a free bot, please register your account using the link in the description, and I will give you 5 good bots. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and good luck.